Good morning, friends. I am Alagu, founder and director of Jai Hind Career Academy. Indian Air Force retired. I put up 17 years service in Indian Air Force. Then I took up volunteer retirement. On November 9, 2000, we have started this Jai Hind Career Academy in Kambam, Theni district of Tamil Nadu. Since then, we are giving training to various services in this area. A lot of candidates have come and joined in our institute as a students and candidates. They have gone out as a government servants. For the past 18 to 19 years, we are serving in this area. We are giving classes. So far we were giving offline mode only. Also in this pandemic situation, we have thought of giving the online classes also. So we are giving both the modes, online and offline. We are recruiting the candidates in any mode, no problem. So if they are joining us online mode, according to their situation, they can switch over to offline mode also. The offline mode classes students can switch over to online mode also. We are giving training for all competitive examinations in the part of quantitative aptitude, reasoning, language skill, current affairs and general knowledge. All the areas we are covering according to the examination syllabus. Whatever the examinations are there, according to the syllabus, we are covering whole syllabus to the candidates. We are giving training to the candidates common. So common, we are giving the training, all subjects we are covering. So if a candidate is joining for any service of like banking service, we will be preparing him for total the entire examinations. So they will be able to appear any examinations with this preparation. Even if they have joined for a banking services, they can clear the defense service also. If they are joined for defense service examination, they can clear railway examination also. So the preparation will be common. They can clear any examination during that period. So with the same cost, they need not to pay for further examinations. Unlike other institutes, they are charging for each and every examinations separately. But we are charging once and we are giving coaching to all competitive examinations. They we are preparing, they are doing better. So on this situation, we are almost the students, they are not having a comfort at their home under residence. So they can utilize here the library and reading room. So we are providing the library and reading room. They can utilize the whole day as their convenience, and we are providing the hostel facilities also. The outstation students can utilize these hostel facilities. The boarding and accommodation will be provided for them with a minimum cost. So we can utilize this institute to achieve their goal and career set. So Jai Hind Career Academy is meant for the downtrodden people in the either rural or urban area. So they can set their goal, means before coming here, if they are setting their goal, they can achieve their goal from this institute. So for any examinations, we are giving the interactive flat panel service. So this board is used for online classes as well as offline classes. The students can clear their doubts within 24 hours. Mentor support will be here. Mentor support will be provided to all the candidates who are registered in Jai Hind Career Academy. And we are providing career guidance and counseling also to the students as well as parents, how to choose and what the career to be choose for their future. The students, every individual approaching here will be given first counseling. So after giving counseling, we will be coming to know their interests, and according to that we will guide them. So if they are, they can come over here as a confident level. They can increase their confidence level, they can achieve their goal. So this is the Career Academy. We are guiding here to settle their life. A lot of candidates have come here, their life is settled and their future, everything is planned, well planned. They are pricing this institute according to the individual choice. So we are guiding them. They can utilize this institute. It will be better service. It will provide you the better service at this juncture. You all are welcome to this institute. Thank you all once and again. Thank you.